Please tell me your name.
So my name is Priyabrat Panda.
And your roll number for this exam?
313834.
Okay. So please give us a formal introduction.
So currently I'm working as a team lead in Amadeus Labs, Bangalore. So I have been working in IT industry for now like around 10.5 years. And prior to that, I have completed my BTech in 2010 in Electrical and Electronics Engineering. And prior to that, I have completed my plus 2 from BJP Junior College, Bhubaneswar, in the year 2006. And I have done my schooling from 10th till 10th in Venkateshwar English Medium School, that is affiliated to ICAC. Yes.
Okay. So, अच्छा आपण एटा जो कहले एथरे आपण एमती कर परिबे कि आपनकर जो हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन अछि बीटेक सेटा ही कहबे ओके प्लस आपनकर लास्ट जोटा एबे जोटा करंट जॉब सेटा कहि कि प्रायर टू दैट आई वाज आल्सो एसोसिएटेड विथ लास्ट जो बीटा कंपनीज आपन
जॉब टा पूरा कहि देबे
सेटा आपन पूरा कहि करबे आ तापरे हॉबीज और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज भी एथरे रहइबो हॉबीज और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज एंड अचीवमेंट्स
Okay, so introduction to pura koi debi.
Photography.
Yes.
And my achievements include essay prizes in essay and quiz, robotics.
Participant in robotics college. And
okay, star performance award for current and
previous organizations.
Seta.
Adra mo actually jaga chhanathil to pore likhichi mane I have worked. I was associated with the NGO for teaching underprivileged kids. So sir last to likhthili mote.
सेटा अपन तळे लिखिछन
हां सेटा मु मेंशन
सो ताको अपन कोन के छोटो हैंडराइटिंग कर
मु लास्ट तो लिखिथिले थर मु भूली थी कोन दिरा
दिस इज लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6 एमती अपन
लास्ट एक्चुअली सेती जगह रे मु पूरा लिखिथिली एथर माने मु भूली थी
बहुत गुड लिखिबा ପାଇଁ पड़िबो अपन तोर दीटा लिखुछंती भी तो ठीक अछि ओके सो आउ तापरे गला फिर एटा ठीक अछि गोटी ही दिछन तो फोटोग्राफी गला हॉबीज रे स्पोर्ट्स और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर भी किसी देबेन
स्पोर्ट्स पचारिए मते फॉलो करेनी तो सेते दो छनते
तापरे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर लाइक एनसीसी एनएसएस स्कूल लेवल रे
एनसीसी करने
नथिला ओके छोड़ देन ठीक अछि फोटोग्राफी फोटो रे
आउटे एक्वास्केपिंग अछि माने मोर इंटरेस्ट अछि किंतु मते लागला थोड़ी दिना हॉबीज ही हिजियो एक्वास्केपिंग में
ओके मन ठीक अछि कना अचीवमेंट्स अधिक अछि तो मे बी सेम टोटली पचारि नहीं आ पर वी डोंट नो
लास्ट फोटोग्राफी पचारथिले फोटोग्राफी पचारथिले फोटोग्राफी
हॉबी ऊपर ओके ठीक अछि
और से एनजीओ भी लिखथिले एनजीओ भी पचारथिले को एनजीओ कोन करथुलो से पचारथिले
राइट हिस्ट्री एंड जियोग्राफी ओके सो आउट इज इंसला अपन को सिटिंग पोजीशन ता हाथटा नी ऊपर रखिबे ओके तुम हाइट हो जे आराम रख करिवे माने जोठी भी होउची गोड़ ऊपर अपन रखिबे ओके Okay, fine. So, tell me something about your home district.
So yeah, I belong to Khordha district. So it's one of the most industrialized districts of Odisha. It's most urbanized district. So it has lot of educational institutions and IT companies, and there is some Coca-Cola bottle company. Okay. I have to prepare on this.
Okay. Optional टा टिके अपना optional कुछ अपना करो home district टा.
हाँ.
सेटा टिके तार first आसीबो geography विषय टिके कहबे ता neighboring districts कोटा.
Okay.
ठीक अछि ता history ऊपर किछि कहबे like how the name came and all. ठीक अछि कोठी से naming अपना को रहिछि.
So ता naming टा सारा जो से मन जो खंडा धरंती ना से धरंती खुरो सेतुर खोर्धा आछि ना.
खुरो धर सेटा गोटे कॉन्सेप्ट आउ भी गोटे दी तीनटा तार ओरिजिन रही
देखि साल मोर मतलब मन नै लास्ट थर पड़ते थर देखिनी देखि देबी सो ज्योग्राफी माने लैटिट्यूड लॉन्गिट्यूड दरकार ना
no latitude longitude I mean
Just-
to its east is this
Okay,
particular
got it,
district
got it.
to west is this particular district so इटा ही आउ तापरे some great personalities दी तीनटा okay सेमती आपण and that would be it तो elaborate like 1-2 minutes भीतर सारी अपने पढ़े okay Okay, so currently you're staying in Bengaluru, right?
Yes sir.
Okay, so you have been there for how many years now?
It's around more than 10 years now. Around 11 years.
11 years. So like you started in 2011, right? As a software engineer.
Yes.
And you are continuing till now. So like now you must be in mid-level position.
I work as a team lead.
You work as a
So it's just below manager.
Okay, so why are you then interested in switching to civil services? Especially, I don't think whatever your pay package would be right now, you would not be getting that much in civil services. Not even near about that.
Yes, I agree. So, sir, I have been working in like IT as I said from last 10 and a half years. So it's now it has become quite monotonous for me because working, for coding and all those, I'm not like I'm involved only in coding and implementation of the project. So it's quite monotonous. So I wanted to, okay. So I wanted to like join Odisha Civil Services. I can use my whatever technical expertise I have learned during my career in this like civil services domain. And now as everything is e-governance and digitalization is the word, so I think I can contribute to that. And moreover, like as I am okay to forego a part of my salary because these 10 and a half years I think I have like achieved financially and all stability and all. Now I think I would like to get some satisfaction from the job as well, like if I work as get a chance to work as a BDO or Tehsildar, I can use the power that has been authorized to me by the administration, to give if person who doesn't have any land, job, gas connection, I can fulfill all these things for him. So that will give me immense satisfaction. So
अच्छा तो गोटे है आपनकर हैंड मूवमेंट बहुत होची ठीक है सो यू हैव टू कंट्रोल द हैंड मूवमेंट okay hand movement has to be controlled it है number 1 first thing so तापरे second है next thing is that अपन जो आंसर टा दउचंती तो माने पहुंच कहले सेटा बहुत गुडे डायमेंशंस अपन कहउचंती ओके बट सेटा सब मिक्स हो जाउछ तो आंसर टा सिंपल रखिबे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आंसर देबे ठीक अछि डोंट ट्राई टू लाइक एक्सप्लेन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स ठीक अछि ताकर लाइक एंड यू कैन आंसर पॉइंट वाइज ए जो ओपिनियन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस रे point wise okay so tamane kon sir my first reason is this my second reason is this my third reason is this emiti apana structure ta answer ra eta de
so but reason is it looks valid the reason ja हम दोची
नहीं सेटा ही मु डिस्कस करबी तो आपन को why would you like to change okay स्पेशली मु आपन को गोटे तार पुनी देली कोन आपन तो सैलरी कम हिजो एठी तो आपन कोन पई एठी आसी पई चाहछन ठीक अछि सो फर्स्ट रीजन इज दैट सेटा आपन जोटा कहले ठीक अछि कि सैलरी सर सेटा एते मते इंपोर्टेंट नहीं गोटे सर मन कि जोटा आपन प्रेजेंट डोमेन ओके तार कंपैरिजन न करिकी कि तार किसी नेगेटिव न कहि कि आपन एठी जो चेंज टा मिलिबो ठीक अछि सेटा तो सो माय फर्स्ट रीजन इज दैट बहुत गुड रीजन से पर पर्सनल रीजंस भी रही पारे माय फर्स्ट रीजन इज दैट करेंटली व्हाटएवर वर्क आई एम डूइंग it is basically for my clients okay it is not directly affecting the society at large or the most common people or the poorest of the poor he is not affected by my work by my labor whatever input I am giving and in administration so all the implementation work has to be done by the administration. So implementation is as important as the policy itself. वो बहुत भलो policy टे हिची, okay, किंतु जदि सेटा implement ना ही परला ठीक रे, किसी लाभ नहीं. Rather वो mediocre policy जोटा की भलो implement हैला, it will help the okay people at large. तेनु सेटा आउ से implementation रे इमानकर रोल रोची I can have a role in that okay so that would जोटा अपन तापर जोटा कल it's fine it would give me immense self satisfaction सेटा गोटे first reason second reason हला you can also go for like self actualization okay अपन कौन थिला optional
history geography
okay तो ये self actualization कोन गोटे human being मास्टर जंती कहि देले the human being the highest okay जेतले से तार pinnacle of his potential को से reach कर ले जोटा need of a human so this is the last need self actualization बाकी सब तार psychological need physical need एगुडा सब तार esteem need एगुडा सब fulfill हे गला okay he has got money he has got fame सब मिल गला but से जिनसटा ताको सब लागिवो कि like you know मु आउट के किछि कर self actualization मोर पोटेंशियल रो पीक को मु पहुंच परले so सेटा आपण कहि परबे कि it is a matter of self actualization for me in the words of Maslow okay Abraham Maslow टा कहितले self actualization so that is the pinnacle of your caliber so सेटा आपण कहि परबे ता पर टिके पर्सनल रीजंस भी आपण दे परबे sir one personal reason is that I have been away from my home for last 11-12 years Jabi. So that has also taken a toll on me psychologically. So that is also another reason.
So, but they cannot counter me saying that you won't be posted in a home district.
No, it's not a home district, but at least I'll be in my own state.
Okay.
Seta upon be koi paribe as a reason. Actually, idealistic answers jagare, realistic answers are better. So this is one reason. ठीक है से रीजन रा किछि भी ठीक है पर भूल है पर सेटा ओडे पर्सनल रीजन तार किछि रैशनल एते देखा जीवन ठीक है सो एटा हला व्हाई यू वांट टू चेंज
करेक्ट
ओके एंड जदि खाली पचौ कि व्हाई यू आर इंटरेस्टेड इन सिविल सर्विसेज ताले तार अलगा तार आंसर हो 5-6 टा आपण ये करि पारे ओके राइट
So why you want to change civil services हम कहि पारि right that's what I माने मु जेटा कहली कि जदि कियोडे माने मु तहसीलदार तो मु गोटे गरीब लोक को जमीठु आरंभ करी घर आरंभ करी ताको गैस कनेक्शन एजुकेशन सब थरे ताको मु एम्पावर कर परिबी तो
हां सेटा आपण कहि परिबे तारो जिस्ट हला एक्चुअली कोन सेठी they would not like answer which is very long तो आपण ताको सब certainly short रे ताको प्रेजेंट करी ओके तेनु
डाइवर्स पोर्टफोलियोस कहि हबो कि जोटा माने माने जेमिति ओएस हेले पोर्टफोलियो
डाइवर्सिटी जदि कहिबे ताहले डाइवर्सिटी आपन को एक्सप्लेन करिवार अछि ओके आवर पॉइंट वाइज क्वेश्चन द फर्स्ट रीजन इज द सेकंड सो माय थर्ड रीजन इज द जॉब डाइवर्सिटी which this service offers especially Odisha administrative service kana OS ta gote diverse service approach our OPS OFS ORS रे भी diversity कोटे एंगल रो अछि kana तापर एबे बहुत गुडे काम
गोटे जिनस मुझे प्रॉब्लम कर देछि फॉर्म में एक्चुअली लास्ट थर जो रिजल्ट तो बाहर नथिला एतले आस्तिला आर तो मु ओएफएस आगो दे देथिली ए मते लास्ट थर बहुत जन सजेस्ट करथिले कि सेतरे टी प्रमोशन एवेन्यूज भलो अछि ओएफएस रे
प्रमोशन एवेन्यूज जते बोल नै सेटा एबे भी माने मते जदि जण की पचौछि कि ओडिसा सिविल सर्विस रो बेस्ट सर्विस कोडा मते पर्सनली मु कहबी ओएफएस
तो मु किमिति माने जिन ओएस रा व्हाटएवर आई एम सेइंग राइट नाउ कि ओएस टर्म्स रे कहूँ ओएफएस रे पचारले हाउ डू आई से आई डोंट हैव एनी पॉइंट्स मु फाइनेंस से तो किछि लिंक नै तो मु ओएफएस
फाइनेंस सहित एतरे लिंक रो कथा नै ठीक अछि तो एटा आपण ओएफएस रे जते बेले आपण कहउचंती तो जदि ओएफएस आपण तले ए जो आंसर सुडा एबे कहले सेटा डाइवर्सिटी तो आपण कहि परिबे
डाइवर्सिटी नाही
ओएफएस
किंतु ओएफएस केबे भी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आसन रे हम देखि छी सीएचसी रे ओएफएस वाला भी माने ये कर
ओएफएस के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन आसन लेट्स से रजिस्ट्रार जे हेबे उत्कल यूनिवर्सिटी रो कंट्रोलर रजिस्ट्रार कंट्रोलर ऑफ फाइनेंस से ओएफएस ऑफिसर
अच्छा
तो सेटा भी तो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन गोटे इन सेंस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रे जे से माने दे आर स्पेसिफिक टू देयर डोमेन
ओके
ठीक है दे आर इन अ सेंस से माने आस्ते आस्ते स्पेशलिस्ट हिज गोटे
सो व्हाटएवर पॉइंट्स आई एम नॉट आउट आई एम गिविंग कि पब्लिक इंटरेक्शन एंड ऑल थोड़ा सो किछि तो
बहुत ही कम
ताले मतलब पूरा मोर चेंज करिया पड़ो कि मु प्रेफरेंस जिन देई पचार देबे दे एंड रे कि तुम प्रेफरेंस तो ओएफएस देइछ बट
ऑफ कोर्स सेटा तले आपण एबे जोडा कहउछथि सेटा आपण को
चेंज करिया पड़ो तो मो बाकी ओएफएस किछि पॉइंट्स इन नै मु लास्ट थर खाली जॉब एवेन्यूज मु लास्ट थर भाबिथिली मोर हेइ जीवो तो मु सेति में एथर भाबिली यदि किछि माने ऑप्शन थिवो कि यदि मतलब लागिला कि ओएस रे नै बेटर करि हबो तो मु सेति ओएफएस ओपीएस दे दिथिली कि प्रमोशन एवेन्यूज भलो अछि तो सेति मु दे दिथिली
प्रमोशनल एवेन्यू सेमति देखिया कोले सबटु बेस्ट है ओपीएस रो
ओपीएस सुनथिली किंतु मोर ओपीएस एत प्रेफरेंस नथिला तो मु ओएफएस आगे देथिल तापर ओपीएस देथिली तो किंतु मो बाकी पॉइंट नै एतले तो हेलानी लास्ट तर तो एबे मु टिके एथरे स्टक हे अछि कोन रीजन देबी कि माने कोन पॉजिटिव्स कहबी जॉब रो मु जहा कहउची इट बेसिस रा ओएस को सूट करछि
हां कने डाइवर्सिटी करी के अपन ओएफएस के कर परिबे
लास्ट एक्चुअली मु इंटरव्यू रे भी डाइवर्सिटी वगैरह कहिथिली मु जो प्रिपेयर करथिली फाइनली आई टॉक्ड अबाउट ऑल
डोमेन रे काम करछन्ती सेथरे किछि लाइक फाइनेंस रो एप्लीकेशन अपन किछि ये करछन्ती
ना पूरा एयरलाइन इंडस्ट्री हॉस्पिटैलिटी एंड एयरलाइन
ओके तो टिकट एडा मते ये करिवे ग्रुप रे मते आपको ये देखिया पड़ियो केना आपन को प्रोफाइल को मैच करी केमती कोन रीजन में वर्क कर परिए कि आपन फाइनेंस सर्विस को प्रेफर करें एक्चुअल रीजन तो हैला कि फाइनेंस सर्विस रो ओके तारो हैला कि इट इज ए मोर अपॉलिटिकल माने एतरे कि पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस नथे बट सेटा इंटरव्यू बोर्ड रे कहि होबन काहेना पॉलिटिकल इंटरफेरेंस नथे माने आपन चैलेंजेस को
डरुछन्ते
ठीक अछि तो so that is something which is like आपण एफे दी तीनटा रीजन दे परिबे कि मोर लाइक प्रीवियस बैचेस रे मोर के सीनियर वरिका जे कि पाइथिले आउ तांको मु कंसल्ट करी कि सेटा बट दैट विल बी अ सेकेंडरी
बट दैट वाज द रियलिटी दैट इज द रियलिटी एक्चुअली मु सेटु ही मु जो जाइथिली माने किसी गोटे सीसीसी ऑफिस साइन आने जाइथिल तो से जने मैडम थिले सीए मते एटा सजेस्ट करथिले कि तमे ओएफएस फर्स्ट देइथान भलो होइथांदा तो मु से फॉर्म फिल होते सेति में ओएफएस देइथिली दि जण मते एक्चुअली कहिथिले
नहीं दैट इज फाइन बट हमें सिटी जोटा कहबा तो लाइक वी हैव टू गिव इन पॉइंट्स ना तो रीजन फर्स्ट रीजन फॉर सिलेक्टिंग ओएफएस इज एटा फर्स्ट रीजन दे होबो एटा इट्स लाइक फर्स्ट रीजन हैज टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग
करेक्ट
and that should have some kind of love or some kind of
affinity
किछि आपनकर गोटे लिंक रहबा दरकार ए सर्विस रो प्रोफाइल संगे ओके व्हिच इज बेसिकली आपन जते आपनकर टेन्योर रे केबे भी आपन फाइनेंस डोमेन रे काम करना फाइनेंस
इट वाज वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट माने स्टॉक ट्रेडिंग वगैरह रे करे सेते
ओके ठीक अछि रिलेटेड तो अछि एटलीस्ट तो सेते आपन कहि परिबे कि आई फाउंड दैट क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग मैनेजिंग वेल्थ okay managing wealth or managing financial resources okay so security and use of technology in that so when I was working for the client I got to know about the other aspects and it interested me into finance okay tapare apna koi pare ki so when this advertisement came out this finance service was one of the options so before filling up, I did my research about the nature of work of the finance service officers, and what I came to know is that their job is very specialized and technical. अब सेठी अपन कहबे ताकर जॉब रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज जोटा कि गैजेट या ये अपन को मिल जिवो सेटा
ओके
अब मूवी सेटा देबी अपन को ग्रुप रे
ओके
एही कारण पई एटा फर्स्ट रीजन सेकंड रीजन इज दैट सम ऑफ माय सीनियर्स इन द प्रीवियस बैचेस who are in placed in various services, like some are there in OS and OPS and OFS. I took their suggestion. Most of them suggested that OFS is better, so I also took their suggestion, although it is my personal decision finally, but their suggestion also mattered here.
Okay.
तीटा reason है ला सेमती आउरी टिका में at least तीनटा reason बाहर कर पाएंगे.
Okay.
ठीक है. So
आर कि भल से रिसर्च करिया पड़े मते पूरा आर कोन कोन जॉब प्रोफाइल कोन पूरा जानिया जाय
जॉब प्रोफाइल एंड
आ फाइनेंस रिलेटेड किछि पढिया पड़ियो मते जेनु स्टॉक ट्रेडिंग वगैरह मु
सीट तो पोस्ट ट्रेनिंग दे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट यू कि मु फाइनेंस सर्विस जॉइन करी माने लाइक
किछि बेसी इकोनॉमिक्स बारे में पछारिबे नि किछि इकोनॉमिक्स में बेसी पछारिबे आप भाई
फाइनेंस ऊपर बेसिकली माने कोन जोटा आपण चाकरी पाइला परे जानिबा कथा सेटा से माने एक्सपेक्ट करना कि आपण एबे जानिबे ठीक अछि तो that part is fine. So A data है ला. The
Okay.
others we have to think.
ओके
Okay. Right. Fine. So currently you are the team lead
Yes.
in Amdocs.
Amadeus
Amadeus.
Amadeus Labs.
So this is basically Indian company or
No,
multinational?
it's a French based company.
French-based company.
But it's a MNC, like offices are there in India and US, like Australia as well.
So, अच्छा. Right. And the your company works in generally which domain?
It's hospitality and airline and hospitality.
Airline and hospitality. So what is your what are your duties and responsibilities now? What
So,
is your job profile?
I work as a team lead in development team. So my duties include like we do planning, whatever the client requirement comes. So we do planning, who all resources will be working in that, and what should be the effort required for that, and even I contribute as an individual contributor. So I even do coding. So it's mostly getting the client requirements, understanding them, and distributing them among the my colleagues. So and getting it delivered. Yeah. So that's the job profile.
Okay. तो अपन गोटे जिनस देखिए आ गोटे जिनस मतलब लिखि दउ जेटा देबी अपन को शीट ता इवैल्यूएशन शीट ता अपन को लाइक जस्ट वेट फॉर द दिस थिंग टू फिनिश माने सी जो क्वेश्चन को जोजली वेट फॉर हिम टू फिनिश सी सारीला परे तापरे 2-3 सेकंड्स पॉज नै की देन यू स्टार्ट टू आंसर ओके सो सी कहला बडे जे इंटरव्यूअर्स तो अपन से तबडे बेसी किछि कहले राइट. So just listen to what they are saying. Okay, so I see that your hobby is photography.
Yes.
So can you tell me in very in summary that what basically you do in photography and what are the equipments that you are using? Do you use professional equipment or just like just as a hobby you are using?
So mostly I like okay, I forgot that term. So I have a DSLR, so it's Canon 750D. So and I have a prime lens and the normal zoom lenses, and I'm mostly interested in I'm not getting the term actually right now. It's taking the portrait photography. So it's the random photography. I forgot the term. Suddenly it's not coming to my mind.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Sita टिके देखी दे
हाँ देखिए देवी.
Okay, fine. So, which is the best photo that you have taken till now, according to, if you have to rank that?
I think during my wife's maternity photo shoot, so I took some photos. So that came out really well, and yeah, so those are the best photos of mine. And apart from that, during my brother's marriage, I took some photos. Even those were good.
Okay, so you are basically like interested in capturing what human beings and all. You're not interested in wildlife and nature.
I would love to, but I don't have the telephoto lens. It requires a bigger lens. I don't have that, and I don't travel much because of current commitments and all, like my job, and I'm preparing for OCS. So because of that, I am not. But yes, I would love to. Even given an opportunity, if I can get the lens, I buy it, and given an opportunity, I would love to do wildlife photography as well.
अच्छा ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ଯାହା ସେ ପଚାରିବେ ରାଇଟ୍ ସେଇ ଯେଉଁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ର ଯାହା ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଯାହା ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ 2-3 ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସେସ୍ରେ ସେଇଟା କହିଦେବ ସେଇଟା ହେଲା ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ସେଇଟା ବହୁତ ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଓକେ ଦେନ୍ depending on whether they're providing you time or not then go for explanation and analysis okay ଆଉ ସେଇଟାକୁ ଲାଷ୍ଟରେ ରଖିବି ସେଇଟା ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ବି ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଦେବେ ଓକେ right fine so do you know French since your company is a French company?
No, just basic bonjour and merci like that. So few basics I have picked,
Okay.
not nothing much.
Okay so your skills in photography do you think that they will help you in administration?
Yes, I think it will help me because photography requires a lot of patience. You need to capture the right moment, and you should have that. You should see the inner beauty of everything that you capture.
Mm-hmm.
So those eye of details will definitely help me in administration as well. When I am implementing any schemes or dealing with any person, so that okay. एते प्रिपेयर ହେଇନି ତ I will work on this.
Okay ठीक अछि तो मु एटा आउट थरे आपनकर इ कर देबी ओके हम प्रिपेयर्ड हे जंतु प्रॉपर्ली तबरे बट एनीवे आउट तबरे आई कांटेक्ट भी 100% रखियार अछि आई कांटेक्ट केबे केबे लाइक वेवर करू राइट ओके फाइन सो एटा ठीक अछि एटा जा कहले कि जो ट्रेड्स उडा अछि फोटोग्राफी किछटा पॉइंट्स अपन कहि कि सेटा केमती एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन रे हेल्प करिवो
एक्चुअली लास्ट थर आई थॉट ऑफ दिस एवथरो मन पड़नी मु प्रिपेयर करनी तो मोर माइंड को आसुनी सेटा
कहि कि एंड डायरेक्टली हाउ इट कैन हेल्प इन फाइनेंस सर्विस माय लाइक or in public service my hobby of photography सेटा भी अपन कहि परिबे एटा हैला एप्लीकेशन कि लाइक अपन जोटा कहले कि patience है ना ठीक है जी perseverance है ना so that is of course it is correct proper point but किसी direct points भी कहेंगे कि directly your knowledge of photography केमती अपनों first choice को OFS करके help करियो कि service रे help करियो
पब्लिक सर्विस इन जनरल कहबो ना OFS फाइनेंस वाला OFS कहबो पड़ियो
हां सेमती भी कहलो
पब्लिक सर्विस भी कहबो
पब्लिक सर्विस रे अपन कहि परियो फॉर एग्जांपल preservation of records digitizing of records and all important records and all due to my photography skills I can help in those things ठीक है जी तापरे other things also can be अपन से help करी so in government actually there are
OFS रे कोन जमारो पब्लिक इंटरेक्शन नहीं इज वेरी लेस
like because कहीं ना सेमाने तो माने तांकर कोडी पब्लिक इंटरेक्शन रो स्कोप बहुत कम ओके सेमान तो फाइनेंसेस ट्रेजरी एंड ऑल से गोडा सब देखिए ट्रेजरी रे जो माने डील करती पब्लिक संगे रे से माने दे आर नॉट OFS ऑफिसर्स ओके
सो इट विल बी मोस्टली ऑफिस वर्क ही रहइबो
या मोस्टली ये भी रहइबो तार जोटा प्रोफाइल ता जेतल हम देबी तो कहि देते ओके फाइन सो इफ आई कम टू योर अचीवमेंट्स यू हैव वन prizes in essay and quiz at the school level so you still write essays
I think during my first organization till then I was writing. I write short stories. I used to write.
Okay.
But of late I have not writing much.
Okay. So what is the average work hour per day that you work in your current
9 hours.
9 hours per day.
Yes sir.
And that is for 5 days a week or 7 days a week.
5 days a week.
5 days a week. So 35 hours week per week, huh?
Yes.
Around 45 rather, 5 days, huh?
Okay, 45
hours per week, okay. So, how do you maintain your life, work-life balance? So, you are saying that you are married and you have kids. So, how do you manage that?
So after my office hours, generally I spend time with my family, with my kid. I spend time like we chit chat or watch movies like that, and then I give some time to my studies as I am preparing for this exam. So I give some time in the late evening. I give some time devote to that, and yeah.
You being a family man now, do you think it is a strength or a weakness as a would-be public servant? For example, there are candidates like who are 21, 22 years of age. Okay, so why should we select you from that point of view? So my question is specifically, you're being a family man, okay, having a family, having a kid. Is it going to help you as a civil servant, or do you think that it is like it's an impediment, in your path, and justify whatever answer you will give?
So I don't think it will be impediment in any way in my current whatever. If I join as a civil servant, it will be impediment. If you compare it to the the freshers who are joining 25 to 21 years or so, so I have a lot of experience, work-wise, and so that gives me I can stand out of them in that. And okay, family thing, I don't know how to justify this.
No, of course, नहीं सेटा ये अपना इमोशन को काढ़े के देखिए, तो सेठी देखिए कि sir, with due respect, one who is a bachelor, has not married. If we compare the life of a married person, especially with a kid, so he knows how to take responsibilities.
Yes.
तो responsibility ऊपर कथा ऐसी गल, ठीक है? He knows how to take responsibilities, and at the same time he knows how to balance his family, okay, and his work.
Correct.
Because he cannot ignore his work, he cannot ignore his family.
More discipline.
He's more disciplined, and work-life balance requires a lot of planning, and that planning has to be dynamic planning because situations keep on changing.
Yes.
Especially if you are, a parent, right? So that means you have to be flexible. You have to adjust to new situations.
Agree.
Okay. So that is a big asset for any organization, especially in a public organization. So it is a good aspect. You can plan dynamically and you are flexible. ଆପଣ ନିଜର strength କହିବେ, ଆର ସାଇଡ୍ ର weakness କହିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ।
ମୁଁ ରିୟଲାଇଜ୍ କଲି, କହିଲା ପରେ ରିୟଲାଇଜ୍ କଲି କି I should not have told that.
ଯିଏ ବ୍ୟାଚଲର ଅଛନ୍ତି କି ଯିଏ ବହୁତ 21, 22 ଅଛନ୍ତି, you need not go after them. ସିଏ question ରେ try କରିବେ to entice you to speak something against them. You just talk about your strengths, how you can offer, okay, something better to the organization.
Obviously, like being a parent and all, you need to accustomed to different.
Plus you are exposed to different types of situations. So from that point of view, you are more experienced in taking responsibilities.
Multitasking भी हो जाएगा because
multitasking भी अपना कोई
job, family and studies and all.
And giving time to family. Your toddler and kid सेटा ताको भी कोई करें. सेटा कोटे almost full time हो. Cooperation, coordination, because both you and your life partner, you have to coordinate. Then only you can raise the child properly. Correct. Exactly same thing when you come to the office. In the office setup, there has to be coordination among the people in the office. Otherwise, one very good officer cannot do a lot. Rather, 20 mediocre officers combined together.
Teamwork should be there.
Teamwork has to be there. Coordination has to be there. Okay, so say partner. Okay, fine. So you participated in robotics.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me, what can be the application of robotics? Okay, suppose we are sitting in this room. Okay, and if I tell you how you can apply robotics to improve the efficiency, okay, of any whatever we are doing now, interview and all, can you propose a solution?
I think yes, like suppose this camera is on right now. So using robotics and automation, what we can do is probably when I'm speaking and all, it can sense that and then it can switch on. So something like that. And suppose the lights are there in this room. Now if nobody is there, that can be automatically switched off, and then somebody enters due to the motion sensor and all, that can sense it and it can be switched on. So even the AC as well. The AC, if somebody is not there in this room, they can sense the temperature of this room and then it can be switched off automatically. So all these things can increase the efficiency of this room. Like
you have won prizes in essay and quiz competitions at school level. Okay, you have participated in robotics. Okay, other use of robotics, let's say in defense, in law and order, or let's say you have given OFS as your first preference. So suppose you are OFS officer and government asks you, you know, how you automate something or improve the efficiency of your department. How will you use robotics in your domain, in OFS, in finance?
so with the OFS, I don't have much ideas. How like normal in medical field, finance or socio-economic development, quite very, but in OFS exactly nature.
So finance, to set up
automation kariabo, but then
automation,
how robotics? Because robotics is IT plus mechanical भी है.
Yeah. So अपन जाके ऐसे सेटा देखो तो कहीं कि ना जेतु मूवी टा देखी ना थी अपन OFS first choice देखी नहीं मैंने. Now everything has to change. And then a main thing so है second टा OPS और third टा OS. So सेटा से जहाँ भी ये पहुँचे ले. अपना OPS टा second कहीं देखी नहीं, OS टा last कहीं देखी नहीं. Okay, so you have to have some very good reasons.
I have to. Last time मोर याद लगे मोर लाइला OS है जीवो तो मोर लाइला बाकी दिरा आगो दे दे भी somehow मैंने मु calculation मैंने मु जैसे हम निजे उड़ी over री कर देती लेकिन है जीवो next.
नहीं छोटा भगवान को भी बोलो भाई. If you get through, you get OFS तो बहुत ही बोला. It is a much better job than better तो मतलब पता ना but it is तीन ता भी थ्रू इटा सब टू peaceful जो तरह के अपना family की time दे पर if you want to prepare for some other exam तो चलो भी prepare कर पर okay you get lot of personal time. ठीक है. Okay. So you also participated in hackathons and you work for organization NGO named Bhumi for education of underprivileged children.
Yes, sir.
So where is this?
So this is Tamil Nadu based NGO, but it has branches all over India. Like there is a branch.
You were involved in Bangalore.
Yes, Bangalore branch.
So how did you teach the locals? You know the local language?
No, I don't know. So it was mostly we used to teach them basic calculation, basic mathematics and all. Not much basic English. So it was mostly by hand gestures and all. And plus there was some local staff there. So if something we're not able to communicate, we used to tell them to translate on our behalf and convey to them. So it used to work like that. So it was mostly not very rigorous teaching and all. It was mostly boosting their confidence. We used to tell them how we work in like IT and all, how it works, and boosting their confidence. So mostly it and basic. Yeah.
Related to Karnataka, okay, and related to your field of information technology and governance, the name Bhumi is very important. It was some kind of a first in the country. Can you tell me what I'm talking about?
Bhumi. IT. There is some supercomputer or something?
No. It was the first digitization of land records in India. Like we have Bhulekh in Odisha.
Okay.
Similarly, it started for the first time in India in Karnataka.
Okay.
I think the name of that project was Bhumi. Okay, digitization of land records. Right. Okay, let us go to a situation-based question. So you are interested in Odisha Finance Service. So suppose you have joined Odisha Finance Service, okay, and you find that you are posted in a new place. The person who was before you in the same post, he's your, he's let's say he's your cousin, okay, and you find out that under him some misappropriation, or you can say that non-maintenance of records has taken place. You have many options. Thing is that since it has not happened during your time, you can just ignore it because you are not responsible. Or you can report it, okay, and ask for a inquiry, etc. But then the consequences will be that maybe your family relations will be because he's your cousin. Okay. In that situation, what are you going to do? You are no way responsible for the actions he has taken.
So I understand that I am not responsible for the actions. It happened before my tenure, but thing is that if he has done some misappropriation during the old tenure, he might be doing right now as well under me as well. And this is a thing of ethics. So his ethics are probably not so correct. So I would certainly report it to my like organization, the senior people, and to do an inquiry on this and take appropriate actions. I understand that there will be it will be at the cost of my personal relations with him, but for me my work ethics will come first, then the personal relations.
Okay, fine. So your optionals, you have taken history and geography.
Yes, sir.
But your graduation is in electrical and electronics.
Yes, sir.
At least give me 2-3 reasons why. Because electrical engineering is there in your syllabus,
Yes, sir.
in your list of optionals.
Yes, sir. So first thing is that I graduated in the year 2010. So and I have been working in IT since then, around 10.5 years. So now I'm not very confident of the all those subjects. Electrical engineering is a vast subject. There lot of papers in electrical engineering, and for me my intention was like preferring those subjects which has more coherence in the general studies papers, so that I have to give less effort. Being a working professional, I preferred that. If I prepare for my optionals like history and geography, history, that will give me edge in general studies, plus in geography we learn environment and international relations as well, so that will give me a good coverage in terms of the general studies preparation. So that's why I preferred history and geography.
Okay, fine. So that will be the end of the interview. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
तो फीडबैक रे आपनकर मुई 6टा पॉइंट सिखली. तो हैंड मूवमेंट बहुत ही होची, सेटा आपन कंट्रोल करिवे. नंबर 1. नंबर 2 हैला आंसर ओपिनियन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पॉइंट वाइज. जेमति कहली माय फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज दिस, सेकंड थर्ड पॉइंट
फर्स्टली सेकंडली कहबो.
ओके. सो थर्ड हैला ये इंटरव्यू जते कहउचंती जस्ट वेट फॉर हिम टू कंप्लीट. से कंप्लीट करिया पे वेट करंतु. ओके. तबरे answer to the points. जहाँ पहुँचो exactly share करो तो basic, like once you tell them what they want, then you can explain, right? किंतु प्रथमरु don't divert.
So problem is that I am not prepared. So to the point, hey, politics beating around the bush है योची. हाँ.
You take your time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you want some more time, अपना मैं करेंगे just. Eye contact अपना को 100% होगी. सेटा कोटे basic जिनिस. Okay. पॉजिटिव्स कोन अछि गोटे तो बोलो आपन स्माइल टा पूरा बोलो अछि, तो सेटा सबले मेंटेन करिवे आ ऊपर टिके काम करिवे. ओके. से जो क्वेश्चंस उडा लाइक मोस्ट प्रोबेबल क्वेश्चंस उडा दिया आइछि से बुकलेट रे, सेटा टिके भलो रे ताको देखिए.
ओके सर. से टिके ओएफएस एडजस्टमेंट टिके से साथे वर्क आपन हेल्प करे, मु भी रिसर्च करी.